Okay, always, 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 always have a requesting list. This again is a 1-page list of what are you asking the court to do. And it's so funny, in a lot of the continuing education courses where judges speak, they say they will be halfway through the hearing before they even know what you are there asking them to do. So it's really important to have a requesting list, and it could be mother requesting, father requesting, whatever, Marianne requesting, a list of what you're asking. And again, you want to use incomplete sentences, as few words as possible, bullet points, so it's not a big chore to read it, because they're reading it, they're listening. You don't want it to be a novel, so you have to use short sentences, not even a complete sentence. And the judges will write on those, so you bring them an extra copy so they can write on it as they go, and they love it. They really, really like having these lists. I have even seen recently where they took the mother's list and the father's list and combined them and X things out and wrote extra things, and that was their order. That was what the judge used to rule. So it was handy, and it was amazing that both sides even had a requesting list. So that if you had no other exhibit, you would have that exhibit, your requesting list. Even if it's 3 things, even if you said, I want back child support, I want current child support to be modified, and I want attorney's fees, you would still have a list with those 3 things on it. So that you don't forget, no one forgets to put on your evidence about attorney's fees, because it's right there on your list. And it's the first thing you put into evidence typically. So you open and you say, this is what we're asking for, Exhibit 1. You ask your client, is this what you're asking for today? Yes, I offer 1. And I've never seen that not come into evidence. So that's an excellent exhibit to have. Okay. Some of these exhibits are only going to apply in certain circumstances. So one that we have used before is a school comparison exhibit. Now that's not an issue in every case, obviously, but sometimes they are fighting about a school, and that's almost the primary issue. Maybe it's a private versus public debate. Maybe it's my school is exemplary rating and your school is not issue, and so they're trying to differentiate their home, even within 2 public schools, by this school rating. So you could do a comparison exhibit and show the stats on the 2 schools. And if they are 2 public schools, and probably even with certain private schools, there are documents out there where they show their ratings and what they mean. Why is it exemplary or not? So you could attach that and then just have a summary sheet on the top, and that would be a nice exhibit for the court.